Alrighty guys, today what we're going to be doing for you is installing this Afe intake on my 2020 Veloster end. Let's get to work!
The first thing we're going to do is remove the engine cover. Remove the 3 hoses from the intake using a pair of vice grips on the hose clamps and pull them off. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the hose clamp from the turbo inlet and intake box. Pull out the intake tubing. To begin the removal of the intake box, remove these 3 screws with a 10mm socket. Next, remove the 2 push tabs located on the airbox scoop. Don't forget to transfer the 3 bushings from the stock intake to the Afe intake box. To do so, simply push out the metal rings from in the middle and then pull the rubber bushing out. Now, to install the Afe intake box, one of the screws is located inside the actual box and the other 2 are located on the sides. Put the 2 push tabs back into place on the intake box scoop. Next, install the filter into the airbox. Install the silicone coupler on the turbo inlet with the smaller side of the coupler touching the inlet. Take the intake pipe and secure it into place using the hose clamps provided in the kit. Last step is to reinstall the 3 hoses back onto the intake tube.
Alrighty guys, so I hope you like this video on my intake install for my Veloster end. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next video.